I don't know if this is going anywhere, but we'll see. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel if this is your first time, and welcome if this is your first time stopping by. Alright, hold on one second. Thank you. Alright, I hope you can hear me. So I'm in a rush, okay? But I wanted to do this video because I just think it's funny that I'm going to a wedding. I have a wedding to attend, but I don't have anything to wear. And that's because I'm pregnant. You cannot really see, and I'm not gonna take off my robe because I'm only wearing underpants. But I'm pregnant. I'm 6 months, and nothing fits, obviously. So I have some outfits in mind, some dresses in mind I'm gonna try on, and we'll see if any of those fit. I'm still trying to hide this pregnancy, so I haven't told the public yet. I haven't told some of my friends that I know for sure I'll be singing at the wedding that I'm going to. And these people, they're like family friends as well. I haven't told them, so I'm just trying to see if I can still conceal it. But let me show you the options that I have. This is option number one. When I haven't worn this before, but when I got this done, I wasn't pregnant. But when I wore it, it was a little big. So I'm thinking that now that I'm pregnant, it would fit. So we're gonna try this on. Let's see. It's not moving. I don't know if this is going anywhere, but we'll see. I don't think so, because I can't even move it up more than this. Like, it's not going up, and if it's not going to go up, I can't reach for the arm. So that's to say I won't be able to zip it at the back for sure. This is what it looks like. So yeah, this is a no. Let's try the second one. This is the second dress. This was made for me by a friend. This was one of my Christmas gifts by my friend Rebecca. I haven't worn this one before. Of course, when she gave me, I had an idea that it wouldn't fit, and at the time I hadn't told them that I was pregnant or that I'm pregnant, so I didn't try it on in front of them. But the same tailor who did the first one is the same tailor who did this one, so I'm also assuming that it's big, as in it would have been big for me if I wasn't pregnant. So let me try this on and see. If I was to wear this, I would not wear it with my underwear and my bra, but obviously that's not the issue yet. The issue is because of my baby bump. So it's not going, it's not budget. So I can't move past. And again, it has nothing to do with my underwear, but it's not gonna go. It doesn't work. Oh, this dress is so beautiful. I wish it works. Look at it. It'll be cute. Oh, it's getting too tight. Whew. Anyway, let us try on the third one, which is my last option. If that doesn't work, I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I guess it's gonna be time. I have no choice but to wear something that would expose me, and I'm just gonna have to deal with it. Okay, so let's see. This is my third and last option. You can see we still have tags here. So this is new. I haven't worn this before. I got this maybe 3 years or 4 years ago in London, and it just never fit. It seemed too big. Like, you know, it's just it's one shoulder. So if whenever I wear it, this part will kind of reveal my boobs because it's just not tight enough. The tag is clearly still on there. Let me see how much I bought it for. I got this for £12.99. That's crazy. And it's a beautiful dress. Again, it just never fits. So let's try it now, see if it fits, and maybe this will be our option. All right. Okay. This is looking like it's the one. I'm just trying it on first, and if it fits well, I'm gonna take off my underwear and my bra. Did it conceal it enough? Can anyone tell? I feel like they cannot be. Except maybe I sit like this, you know. But if I'm just like this, I feel like I'm good. What do you guys think? All right, this is gonna be the outfit of the day. So we're gonna go with this. All right, I'll do another video where I style it, and maybe I will insert it in this video, but this is going to be the option, you know, from the three. Obviously, maybe when I eat a little bit, it will come out more, but it's still also not very cold. It's still a little cold here, so maybe I put a jacket on it, and that would also help me. But this is what we're going with. So what it looks like. Okay, that's it. I'll style it, like I said, another time, not another time, in a separate video, and you see.